Transferring money from the Region Bank to the Cashapp is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, open the Cashapp on your mobile phone. Tap on the My Cash tab. Next, select Add Bank. Now choose Link Bank Account. After that, select Regions Bank from the list of banks. Here, enter your Regions Bank online banking login credentials. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your account. Once your bank account is linked, you can transfer money between your bank account and Cashapp. To transfer money, first tap on the My Cash tab. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer. Here, select Cashapp. Choose the bank account you want to transfer the money from. Next, tap on Transfer. The money will be transferred instantly.